Office of Superintendent of Police ke East Khyser Hills kala suspend ni upulit SI u Armarwen ka Laban Police Station halor ke Kynnoh ba ula bu aj Khaw Yiang bat kala thongru ya ke toket halor ke Kynnoh per Shah ya u ba ula Kyntait ban Pdiang ya ke Ejahar hanin kamiet ke bala ujor ke long kemi. Ha kamiet ke khandai tarik nailur ke we ke Kyntait kala let ujor Shaki pulit ke Laban Police Station dak ba Kynnoh ba kala Shah takti ha uwe unongnya taksi. Hendai la Kynnoh ba uti upulit SI ula Kyntait ban Pdiang ya kani ke Ejahar. La Kynnoh ru ba uni upulit SI ula Shoh Khaw Yiang ha Pdiang ke kam bat kani kalawan ra ke jinyannya ke bajur bat ki bahiyeng hasem jong kani ke Kyntait balit ujor. Ya kani kanong ujor la ya rapno da ke we ke pulit Kyntait jong ke Women Police Station ke bala register ya ke case kat kum ke Ejahar. USP ke East Khyser Hills uba Silvester nong tenger ula pentip bala suspend ni uni USI bat la thung ya ke toket ke bala klik the sector officer ke Laban Police Station. Ka office USP ke kenturu ekipat ba bakin ai ke jingtip. Habadon kum kini ke jingja, lani pan jingharap dak ba phone hau number iwe ar.
Incident yesterday in Laban Police Stations, it was very unfortunate. But we had taken prompt actions against the Sub-Inspector R. Marwin. So he has been suspended, placed under suspension. Yes, East Khyser Police, we never tolerate to the indiscipline, and we prompt action taken, and we always rewarded to the good officers. We always reward for the good deeds, good action they have taken, they have done, and we always take a strong, stern action to all those misbehave and those misdeeds.